Good morning, everyone. So we are out in Vegas today for the first Intro to Speed, and 10 minutes after we get the cone set up, security said no more. So they're gonna give us a 45-minute window to have some fun. So here we are. Can?
There, I don't know if it's my riding stance, but it just feels a little wobbly, and I'm not sure if it's it just scares me, bro. But god damn, this thing's that badass.
It's fun, isn't it?
It's so much fun. I don't even have to worry about losing traction.
I know.
It's like, so normally when I have to slow down, right, I don't, bro. I just kind of let off a little bit and just whoo, apex and pull it through the corner, bro. Okay,
so what do you think of the track?
I love the track, bro. Honestly, I'm a little bummed out that we were only gonna get it for about 30 or 45 minutes, but I feel like we did a good job on talking to the right people to make an introduction, to make this a possible thing for sure again. Totally. I think that the track is perfect for like high speed. It's got good corners. It's got really good asphalt. Traction is not a problem right now. Cool. 2 thumbs up.
Cool.
Thank you.
Helmet. You got everything on there.
Yeah. Got a little espresso cup drip over here.
And then they just zoom through. See security just go right by.
They did, huh? They just drove right by.
I fucking love it.
What's your name?
I'm Joe.
Joe, I think,
I've seen you guys. Yeah, I've seen you guys in San Francisco.
Yes.
Yeah, hi guy. Hi. Look at you, just full of life. Yeah.
So much fun, bro.
You like that track?
Oh my god, I love it. It's such a good time.
You come back?
Yes, I'll be coming back for sure next week and the week after that and every other week. Hopefully we can get down to AVS, right?
Yeah, next week.
Do that, man. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I'd really like to enter that. I think I got a shot, man. I'm not gonna win, but top 3 for sure. I'm coming.
Just don't fuck up.
No, hey. Don't even say that. Don't put that juju on me, Ricky Bobby. It's a good time on all the rides. The EUCs are fun. The Stooges are a good time. Our boards that we got are a great time. The La Croix, I'll tell you what, dude. That was a good time.